Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Kerala cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare astram. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of chopped elephant yam, 1 cup of chopped colocasia or taro root, 1 cup of chopped tapioca, 1/4 cup of red cowpeas, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, tamarind juice extracted from a marble sized tamarind, 2 to 3 green chilli slit. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, the ingredients required are 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, half to 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic, 2 to 3 green chilli finely chopped. Next, to prepare the tempering, the ingredients required are 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of shallots, half teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 to 3 dried chilli, few curry leaf. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the red cowpeas for minimum 6 to 7 hours or overnight before further use. In the meantime, peel the outer skin of the yam, tapioca and the taro root and chop them further into equal and medium sized cubes. Now transfer the chopped vegetable into a pressure cooker, and into this add the slit green chilli, turmeric powder, salt, 1 cup of water and give everything a good mix. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for 1 to 2 whistles in low to medium flame. Next, take another pressure cooker and into that add the soaked red cowpeas and 1 cup of water. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for about 5 to 6 whistles in low to medium flame or until the red cowpeas is well cooked. Next, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the freshly grated coconut, cumin seed or jeera, turmeric powder, finely chopped garlic, green chilli and half cup of water and grind this into a smooth consistency paste. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker and now we can see that the vegetables are well cooked. Now mash this slightly with the help of a ladle or a masher. Now add the previously prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer with 1.5 cup of water and add that as well. Now give everything a good mix and allow this mixture to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. In the meantime, we can see that our red cowpeas is well cooked. After about 10 to 15 minutes of cooking of your astram, add the tamarind juice and the cooked red cowpeas into it. Mix everything well and allow this mixture to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. Next, take another pan or kadai and into that add the coconut oil, and once it's hot enough, transfer the mustard seed, shallot, curry leaf, dried chilli and saute everything and prepare the tempering. Finally, add the prepared tempering and your delicious astram is ready. This goes well with kanji or rice porridge. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.